Happy Children's Day.
हेलो, दिस इज़ डॉक्टर अनन्या। आई एम अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट और आज मैं ले चलूँगी आपको बैंगलोर, अगरतला से टू अटेंड अ ग्लोबल एआई समिट इन हेल्थ केयर। मैं एज एन अडल्ट पहली बार बैंगलोर ट्रैवल कर रही थी, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन को लेके डर था, पर सब कुछ बढ़िया से हुआ। मैंने पहले बस ली एयरपोर्ट से डायरेक्टली टू Majestic, which is bus number 9. It costed me around 290 rupees. And then I also read book meanwhile to pass my time. एंड हम पहुंच गए मेन एरिया में। मैंने आधा रास्ता चला भी, वॉक भी किया, बिकॉज मैंने ऑटो जो पकड़ा था ही वॉज चार्जिंग मी 150 रुपीज़ ओनली फॉर 900 meters. Then the area was pretty crowded and there were a lot of shops and hotels nearby.
Finally, we have reached the ghost house, Bengaluru.
हालत बहुत ख़राब है, स्पेशली मेरे बालों की। पता चल ही रहा होगा कि मैं इतना ट्रैवल की हूँ। And we have finally reached my hostel.
So this is how the ghost house inside looks like. They have this new system, okay? Like you need to show your phone here, and यहाँ पर locker के लिए भी lock है. Then a code will come. So that's a really nice way. You have to download the app for that. And this is also cool. People have like written things.
फिर हमने थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर किया कॉमन एरिया एंड काफ़ी नए नए एडवांसमेंट हो गए हैं गोस्ट ऑप्स में। दे हैव ऑल दिस सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडेड थ्रू एप्लीकेशंस। मैंने इनफैक्ट अपनी आइसक्रीम भी ऐप के थ्रू ऑर्डर की और वही के वही मुझे मिल गई। द टेरेस एरिया वॉज प्रीटी गुड एंड जब मैं पहुंची 11 बजे बंद हो जाता है, तो मैंने फटाफट खाना भी ऑर्डर कर दिया था अपना, थैंक्स टू प्रिया जिसने सजेस्ट किया ये। फिर साथ के हॉस्टल मेट्स के साथ मैं पास के शॉप में गई लेट नाइट एंड आई जस्ट टेस्टेड अ बिट ऑफ इट।
यार ये तो कम है।
नाउ लेट मी शो यू माय डॉर्म रूम एंड दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर यूजुअली देयर। हमने थोड़ा पढ़ा भी एंड कल के लिए आई वाज एक्साइटेड। This is how the washroom looks like, pretty neat and clean, but it depends on the kind of people you're living with. And they provided with all the necessary things. I was happy. Then हमने ऑनलाइन भी बुक किया ऐप से ब्रेकफास्ट, जो मुझे बाद में रिग्रेट हुआ। वो आप जानेंगे क्यों, आगे धीरे धीरे देखिए। एंड दिस ब्रेकफास्ट कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड 260, जो काफ़ी मुझे अननेसेसरी लगा। देयर वाज जस्ट बीगल एंड मसाला ऑमलेट एंड लुक एट माय फेक रिएक्शन। फिर हम अथर्व और प्रतीक के साथ पास के रेस्टोरेंट में गए, जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा यमी यमी साउथ इंडियन फूड था। इस मोमेंट पे आके मुझे थोड़ा सा लगा कि ओके, मैं फाइनली साउथ इंडिया में हूँ और मैं ऑथेंटिक खाना खा सकती हूँ।
We will try the open butter masala dosa and how it looks
थैंक यू।
like. This is the Ravan idli. This is the open butter dosa. This is the neer dosa. Ragi dosa.
खाने के बाद थोड़ा स्वैग मारने के बाद अपन निकल पड़े मेरे होटल की तरफ। बोरिया बिस्तर लेके रास्ते में MTR मिला एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी टू सी दैट इट वाज जस्ट walking distance away from the hostel. So this is my first time in Holiday Inn and yeah, it looked pretty good. But welcome drink nahi mila.
And it looks like this. View का पता नहीं मुझे, but it looks all right. They have given water and stuff. Cool. And let's see how the washroom is like. यहीं पे attached है. And this is how the washroom looks like. This is me and छोटू सा है. They have given all the stuff. There is proper kits and everything. Looks good to me. This is, they are provided with slippers and everything, iron board, and then good. And this is the mirror.
बॉक्स के अंदर मिला डार्क चॉकलेट, मज़ा आ गया। Then अब टाइम हो गया था सजने संवरने का. I was already late and here we begin. This was my outfit for day 1 of the conference. So we have gone. The doctors ate my summit.
It's like a remote monitoring solution for all the gravity infusions. So in the ward setup, if a patient is undergoing a gravity infusion, just by connecting this device on the drip chamber, we get a real-time feedback in the application. So here we can enter the patient details and we can see these parameters like what is the flow rate and how much volume has been infused. Here main advantage is that if any blockage is happening or if once the IV bag is emptied, after 30 seconds you get an intimation here. So the nurses they can go, they can check for it and resume the infusion.
As well as epidemiological
Hospitalizations are happening. The handwritten prescriptions are coming down. So we will have our own data sets in coming few years.
bits and pieces. India is still picking up, and there's in fact a great policy that came out, frameworks that came out yesterday, aside of the DPDP Act, which is, in my opinion, great.
10 years, you will have lots and lots of data from India which is generated.
We are going to the proper poolside for our delicate dinner. I'm just loving the interiors of Radisson. That's so pretty, beautiful.
I tried to get out of my comfort zone and had chit-chatted with few of the doctors. Some of them were even from US and UK.
Well, we are done with the food. Now we'll head towards the workshop.
You can understand, I've given it a role, senior endocrinologist. I've given it a task, summarize guidelines. I've given it a format, finder. Keep it conversational, use analogies and include lifestyle advice.
I was reading literature. It was written there that one adult think about 35,000 decisions per day.
I also convert it into a PDF and put it on LinkedIn. That is also one of the ways of creating good posts. But let me show you remaining data set that was not used during the training. So that's how we create a model even without the knowledge of Python. That is the biggest fear of most of the doctors. Although, if you know Python, there are so many pathways. Sky's the limit if you know both of the words.
At this moment, I understood. हमसे ना हो पाएगा.
You have all this. I'm
थोड़ा ब्रेक लेने के लिए मैं बाहर स्टॉल्स देखने चली गई और यहाँ पे कितने सारे AI related virtual stimulation, so many things were there. I was amazed to see these new advancements.
And that's how with this you can fuse it on the patient's face, segment the tumor, understand where the tumor is, all these things. Without any, we have created a modular thing where we can really, this is an extended reality. It's not a virtual. This is
तो माननी पड़ेगी भाई, अभी भी साइकेट्री को लेके इवन इन मेडिकल फ्रैटर्निटी इतना स्टिग्मा तो नहीं बोलूँगी, बट लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस तो डेफिनेटली है. आई वेंट टू अ वर्चुअल रियलिटी सेटअप एंड द एग्जिबिटर, मैंने उसको बोला दैट आई एम अ साइकेट्रिस्ट एंड इवन विद दिस बैच which is clearly written delegate and doctor, the person presumed that I'm a MSc BSc psychologist. I'm just here to learn a lot of things, and I feel very fortunate that I took a step and learned a lot of things in the workshop.
I mean, I have no, I'm sure there are many elements like this, and gives the same answer what MRC question asks. So
Due to exhaustion and pretty much being tired, I just thought to get back to my hotel and feel a bit rested.
To our hotel again. Workshop was exhausting. The things which I will not buy because I'm garib as hell. So I'm back to my room. Whew. It's already evening. I learned a lot of things today, and there is dinner, but I've decided to roam around Bangalore. Got this thing I saw for the first time कि दो टाइप की तकिया, एक में फर्म लिखा है और एक में लिखा है सॉफ्ट. मुझे तो सेम ही लग रहा है.
So I communicated with my ex hostel mates from Ghost Stops, and I planned to go outside and explore Church Street with Athar. And I came across a lot of things, and wow, the street looked so fine. And we decided to go to my friend suggested Paragon, but damn, it was already fully booked. So we went to Empire, and I ordered the chicken biryani, and damn, it was awesome. Then we went to Milano, and I had the orange gelato ice cream, and I wish I could eat everything over here. Then I strolled around the area. There were beautiful shops of jewelry, stickers, magnets, etc. But I then decided to come back to the hotel because it was already past 10 p.m.
मजा तो आया अपन को.
Let me tell you, Uber and Ola and even Rapido can be pretty uncomfortable in Bangalore, so I would suggest everyone who is visiting Bangalore to use Namma Yatri app for traveling around the city. बता दूँ sponsored नहीं है. And this was Pathan Sabha, and I came back to the hotel. Then it was already 9, and I just thought of losing my mind into this design and architecture. I'm pretty impressed.
This hotel room in Holiday Inn is this particular design. It really accentuates the look. Yeah, hospitality can be better. Welcome drink तक नहीं मिला भाई.
कि पुछते हो हाल फकीरां दा साडा नदियों विछड़े नीरां दा.
Then morning के time breakfast का time हो चला था and buffet लगा था. It looked pretty crowded because इतना बढ़िया खाना जो है. I restricted myself to eat only the healthier food. Well, I tried to. सच कहूँ तो यहाँ से निकलने का मन नहीं कर रहा था, बट हमको day 2 ऑफ कॉन्फ्रेंस में होना था, तो वहीं निकल पड़े हम वापस.
So this is day 2 of my conference look, and that black thing on the mirror is because of the eyeliner. Don't mind it. And dyed my hair, and I put on a little bit of makeup. No foundation, just concealer, lipstick, eyeliner and mascara.
कुछ क्षण के लिए मेरा थोड़ा सा नार्सिसिज्म भी झेल लो. Well, अच्छा लगता है.
Bye bye room. Bye bye.
The hospital is very pro-enthusiastic of AI. They have used several AI in that HMI system, and now my data which is fetched is going in all those AI systems. So however,
with the felicitation to Dr. Bansi Sahu.
He is the most apt person for this honor.
yes, and he's truly an ambassador.
AI being designed and implemented without them. It will not happen. We want that, yes, it should be part of it and complementing our therapy also.
Model synthetic data and ethical considerations for equitable AI deployment.
All the data of the patient, and he told you, is it adenoma, for example, lipoma, you can keep it?
There is also a risk of they not doing logical, they using the touch with analytical thinking.
See line to line, then you go and jump into your social media. That is very important. Otherwise, they think everything is out there and they go picking up here and there.
The person who is sending, the operator from the radiology department, he or she knows, and when the report is coming back, only they can know that this is the report belongs to this person. Now, these data are secure, but there are technologies by which you can break that data.
So we are done with the conference. So we are going towards the spa center, and look at the, as you can see, I'm hell tired. I came for the spa, and this is what the room looks like. Very calm, very aesthetic. वेदर इज़ चेंजिंग, बहुत ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. मौसम नो डाउट बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पे. एंड आई एम फीलिंग रिफ्रेश्ड. थोड़ा सर दर्द हो रहा है. आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ कैब टू नियर बाय होटल which is near to airport to avoid any traffic issues in the morning. Boarding has already started and I'm waiting for my food to come. मैं बहुत जल्दी हूँ.
Got a piece of Bangalore with me. So these are the Truly Gifted macarons. Box of assorted ones. 250 grams of the smooth chocolate. These are from the brand Smooth, suggested by a friend of mine. And this is 250 grams of, this is cranberry chocolate flavor and I can't wait to try it. And this is how the macarons of different. आप सबने एंड तक व्लॉग को देखा. It means a lot to me. I hope you like this video. Thank you.